Hello and welcome back to Gorilla Man's Garage. Today we have the Fimi Mini 3 SE. It just had an update. It had an update to the 4G module and to the Follow 3. Follow Me 3, Track Me, Smart Track, whatever you want to call it. Now it's called Follow 3, whatever. I don't know what they updated, it doesn't say, and it says it fixed known bugs. I don't know, we're just going to see if it flies and what's going on with it, okay? At some point I might get into the Follow Me program, but I think it works pretty good. We're going to take a little short video, some photos. Maybe we might get into some of that to see if it's changed at all. Maybe they just refined it, whatever, okay? Let's get into that, okay? It's on the pad, ready to go. Let's get up. So let's get into the system. Here we go. Now, I just want to make sure here, SE, yep, okay, we're SE, okay, we're into the system. Return to home was 50, and the module failsafe is, yep, that's pretty good. 94% in the battery, that's good. And remember, if the battery's the slightest bit cool, you're not going to be able to take off. So keep them batteries warm, okay? We have here the iPlay Mini 50 Pro by Altacube. The 8-inch tablet works great with the Fimi Mini 3 and the Fimi Mini 3 SE. Okay, does not work very well with the X8 Mini version 2. Okay, and the bigger one I have, the Tech Last here, doesn't work very well with the version 2 either. Okay, so let's get in here. Let's just check out our stats here, our specs here. Here we go. High, there's really no difference, a couple of bit rates, but anyway, 4K, I don't want that, I want the 2.7, and we might try and see what's going on here. We've got everything at 0. Okay, let's get it up and going. Let's just switch over, have a look at the camera for the photos, and we have for photographs, we have 8 and 12. 8 and 12, okay, so I like 8 first, and we're gonna switch back over to video and get it up in the air. Boom. Wow, that's a fast takeoff. Up it went. To be 100% honest, I think it's more stable than the Fimi Mini 3. Up a bit. Here we go. Turn around. Okay, let's go up and out there. Okay, we just want to get up to about 45, bring that, clouds look beautiful. Now this is a 1/2.5 Sony stacked sensor, okay? And we're down to that, okay? So let's just adjust this a little bit, not quite that much. There we go, 3, down 3 is good. Okay, start that video, and we'll come around and we'll just go out to this lake that I do and take some pictures out here. Here we go, let's go forward. Here we go. And there's some sunlight on this now, so some of the, look at the leaves. You see the leaves? They're gone. Gone. Where'd they go? I'll tell you where they went. They went in my yard. I had to pick them all up. Okay, I'm going to stop that. Stop the video. Switch over for a camera. I'm going to take some photos. So this is 8 megapixel. Boom. Took a picture. We can only take 8 and 12. So let's change that to 12. Which is 4:3. Are you ready? And we're going to go down. Whoa, not that dark. 1, 7, 3. Okay, take a picture. Boink. Took a picture. To be fair, I got to take one like this at the other 8 because I didn't have the EV value down at 3. Here we go. Ready? Take a picture. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the camera, video, and we're going to start the video again, and we're going to come back. Let's see if we can turn it this way a bit and come back. I want to check one more thing before we do anything. If we go back to here, 5.8. It's on 5.8 again. Good. I'm going to keep it on 5.8 because if you saw my last video, what happened? Yeah. Okay. It's coming back. I should see it over there somewhere. And we're here. Okay, let's bring that down a bit. What we're going to do is we're going to go into here. We're going to follow 3. Target lock, tracking, parallel follow, follow surround, blah, 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 blah. What I want to do is click or select the target. Boom. Surround. Here we go. Ready? Surround. I want to go that way. Go. So that's what it does. Well, from what I can see, it's going up and down and up and down, and then it's lost it because it wasn't defined enough. Okay, so stop that. Okay, let's go out of that. Let's turn around. Let's see if we can find something we can actually see. Okay, here we go. There we go. Here's something a little bit better. We'll come back a bit. Okay, we'll go down a bit. There we go. Okay, try this guy. Boom, boom, boom. Surround. Me. Surround. Go. Then you notice you can take it at 2.7K. 1080p, whatever. It should be able to get most of this, but again, it goes up and down. I don't understand that. Up and down. Yeah, you can see that gimbal going up and down, can't you? 21, 20. I'm looking at the numbers on the gimbal on the bottom here. 23, 25, 26. I don't understand it. But it's a very weird, it's like a drunken little, they sure fixed this follow 3, didn't they? I don't remember doing this before. It's like it's going up and down, up and down, up and down. Fimi, we have a problem. Gotta fix this. Gotta fix this. That's not right. No, don't like that. No. So, something's not quite right. Let's stop that. Okay. Stop, get out of that follow. Okay, let's do this other thing here. Spiral, tap, no, I don't want that. I want, stop the video, no. There's no, oh, orbit, here we go, orbit. Okay, set the center. Okay, I like this part better. Okay, let's go, set the center. Okay, something like that. Set the center. Okay. Now we're going to come back. There we go. We're going to go say go. And we're going to go flight speed at 6, clockwise, center, go. And we're taking video at 2.7K at 30 frames per second. And we're going opposite to what you would think. It says it's going in a clockwise direction. Pardon me. Well, I guess it is, yeah, it is. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now that's a lot smoother. Okay, that's a lot smoother. Maybe the follow is too sensitive. Maybe if I had follow on and it followed me, but I could orbit and move around, maybe that's better. But to do it in a stationary object wasn't that good. Okay, there we go. Pretty good, and we're down -3. We're at 66% in the battery. That's pretty good, and yeah, it's awesome, really awesome, very good. Okay. Okay. Oh, we don't have to wait till this finishes. We'll just stop that right there. Okay. Okay. And we shall come home. Look at the blue skies. Here it is. And we're coming in for landing. Ta-da! That's it. Let's go bring her down. There we are. So there we have it. The Fimi Mini 3 SE with the updates, 2 updates for the Follow Me and for the 4G, whatever that is, okay? The Follow Me, I guess it's not really meant to have a stationary object. You pick it out and it flies around. But I think I do remember that it was a little bit more accurate last time. Maybe because this object I used and where it was going, it picked up different... No, I'm not going to make any excuses. It wasn't what it did last time, so I don't think something's right there. But $199, I'm not really interested in that. It would be really nice, okay? I don't mind that on an orbit you have to fly over and do it, but it's really convenient if you can just draw a map and, you know, draw on the map and just hit go and away it goes, okay? But anyway, the one thing I forgot to look at was the attitude ball. So I'll put a note at the end. And what I might do is I might put up a little sequence, 10 or 15 seconds, a collage of all these different little drones I've been flying lately, and see what they are. And I'll put the size of the sensors on them, because it's a nice, beautiful day. I might get some more up, and we'll put them all up and see what happens. Okay. And if I find out about that attitude ball, I'll put a little note at the end. Okay. So till then, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. I'm getting a little chilly out here. I think I need a hot chocolate or something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Take care. See you later.